Did you see that picture in Audubon magazine with the, it wasn't anything, it was a...
cormorant.
Wow.
Oh!
We got Chimney Swifts.
Cool
Wow.
beans, the poop says it all.
Wow.
All good things must come to an end, and it's the end of purple martin breeding season. They've gone on to South America, or at least not here anymore, so we're taking the gourds down to be cleaned out for next year's breeding season, and we will put these back up sometime around mid-January.
Could be walking the gourds too. Yeah.
We have it. If the martins nested in each of them, they're probably on our, because I think we can see them down there right
now. You got away with it.
Well, you know, the poop mostly is carried away. Oh, right. The adults take that fecal sack and they don't want poop in this thing.
A couple of different kinds of gourds.
You don't want to lose those rings, so put that on there.
Clean them out right here.
Well, I think, well, that's what we have to tell each other.